Good morning, guys.
Good morning din po. Kamusta din over you?
Just fine. Okay lang. I miss you.
I miss you too,
Diba sabi mo yung nagbawi? Can I see you?
Sure, let's have dinner later.
Aga, 5 p.m. Okay, see you.
What? Ikaw yun, hindi ako.
Once again, and first of all, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And like, comment, share, and please don't skip my video. Only watch till the end.
Sabihin sana ko, pero wag na. Alam mo, may bagong idol na sa music.
Sino?
Like, kasi diba favorite ko si Taylor Swift? Tapos may dumaan sa FYP, parang may nag-cover ng Love Story. Alam mo ba yan?
Yeah.
Hindi mo ba? Alam mo yun? Sa FYP.
Naglag ka, oh.
May lag again?
Naglag.
Huwag na.
Sino yun?
May lag? May lag pa ba?
Hindi na. Now
No? Send ko sa'yo. Send ko yung link sa'yo. Check messages.
Hindi na yun.
Ng wifi? Ano ba? Alam mo, wala ako din gana mag-live when I'm here kasi sobrang bagal ng wifi ko. Kanina, parang half ng live lag lang ko.
Ang laki-laki ng bahay niyo sa Iloilo.
Yun din yung...
Apakabagal ng wifi niyo.
Ang hila ng wifi, no? Kaya live lang ako sa bahay mo. Malakas ba yung wifi dyan?
Sobrang lakas. Baka hindi ka na umuwi.
Baka nga.
Pero be careful lang kasi hindi ka na umuwi pag dito ka na. Top! Anyway, so anong pag-uusapan natin ngayon? Mukhang ano ba? Ano ba yung...
Wala. Alam mo,
inom ng tubig, buti hindi ka naiihi.
Yeah.
Ay, yeah.
Pero alam mo, when I go back to Manila, I'm excited kasi wala akong masyadong gawin. Like, I can relax na.
Sabi nila magbasa daw tayo ng AU.
Totoo ba? Hindi ka ba?
Gusto mo, pagbigyan natin sila. Like,
actually, gusto ko. Actually, to be honest, kanina, sabi ko sa viewers, guys, sabi ko sa viewers kanina, guys, convince nyo si Sai na na mag-reenact kami ng AU. Kasi
tara.
Sabi ko kanina, baka hiya ka.
Hindi, pag ikaw when it comes to you naman, di ako mag-default. So.
Kiss nga.
Shut up. Anyway, anong AU yun? Anong AU?
Which one, guys? Which one do you want us to do? Which one? Which one, guys?
Which one po?
Wait, let me read it ko.
Kaya na ulit. Kaya na ulit ata.
Okay. Also, kanina while I was on live, I watched your TikTok of yung screen recording of you and Queenie reading the AU. Dude, ang funny.
Totoo ba? Anong username ulit ni Yana?
Pang Star Magic na. Yana FRX ata, something like that. YANAFRX. Something.
Uy, naiya ako. Oh my God.
Yana FRX, yun yung username.
Okay, which one here?
Which one do you want? Do you wanna do the recent one?
Okay. Sige, this one.
Okay, yung recent one. Okay, ikaw yung mauna kasi size POV daw.
Okay. Ay, siguraduhin mo ayos yung wifi mo.
Sana nga, I hope so.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Narinig mo naman ako, clear?
Yes. Ako pala yung first line.
Ha, hindi ako. Ah,
Oh, it's size POV. I miss you. He said. Ako si he.
okay.
Kaya ako muna.
Okay.
Okay, tapos ikaw yung narrate. Okay. Mag-background music ba or wag na?
Wag na, parang feeling ko
Wag na. Okay, sige. Ready? Okay. Wait.
Ayos.
Bakit sila mga Star Magic you're watching right now? Guys, kunin nyo kami. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. I miss you. He said.
Ako ba?
Oh, ikaw si I was standing.
Ba't di ko, ano to? Di ko makita, di ko mabasa. Okay. I was standing there unable to say anything, but I noticed people inside the cafe staring at us. Some students teased us, and when I looked at him, he was just smiling and I was the only one denying what they're thinking. They even cheered again when I looked at him and I saw him just looking at me. I was losing it, so I ran outside.
Sai! I was about to say something, but I already went out.
I called a taxi and I went inside. I was in the back seat and before I could even tell the driver where I want to go, I saw the other door open. It's Wacky and he sat beside me. The silence was too loud while the voice inside my head was even louder.
Ako yung taxi driver ah. Saan po kayo? The taxi driver broke the silence.
Ako ba to ikaw?
Ikaw. Parang hirap naman nito no kasi walang Wacky, Sai. Hanap kaya tayo ng
Hindi, baka meron naman.
Okay, go. Tuloy mo. Hindi ko din gets minsan kung sa akin yung line.
Wait lang. Wait. Sige, straight.
Gusto ko na super serious tayo dito.
Yun nga eh.
Pero alam mo, na-appreciate ko talaga yung effort nila. Like, hindi to madaling gawin, di ba?
Yeah, super hirap na yan.
Totoo, grabe yung effort. Okay, go. Ikaw.
Kahit saan po, just drive and I'll just tell you to stop. Okay, sabi ko. Okay, sabi ko. Kahit saan po, just drive and I'll just tell you to stop. I didn't know why I said that. I hate the way the situation is like this, but I also love the feeling that I'm feeling his presence again.
Crush mo talaga ako, grabe.
Feeling ko kailangan natin ng music.
Diba? Sabi ko na dapat may background music. Sige, anong music? Ako na magpa-music.
Okay. Pero, wait lang.
Yung vibe?
Let's try yung dapat yung yung may...
Diba? Yung may Wacky, and then Sai,
Yeah.
and then, diba? Wait, hanap tayo. Pero Yana, shout out kay Yana, ang galing mo.
Ito na, meron. Itong part 5 meron.
Part 5.
Ay, hindi.
Part 5
Hindi, onti lang din yung yung conversation natin dito.
Parang parang novel to, no?
Feeling ko, let's try to react yung first one.
The first one. Okay, sige, yan na lang. Okay, I'm here na.
Daylight daw yung
Okay, sige, let's do daylight. Okay, mas ganda ko kasi text siya.
Okay.
Hello, why am I excited?
Game.
Okay. Okay, ready? Texting. Sai, can you come here tonight? Watch Thai movies. I brought some snacks here kasi.
I don't think I can come I still have to finish my work for this brand. I'm so sorry.
Oh, okay. Take your time. I miss you now already.
Thanks, I'll make bawi na.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Not gonna lie,
what?
I feel like I have to limit myself kasi hindi na healthy to for us. Shoot! Sunday nga, Sai, niloko mo na naman sarili mo.
Okay. Ikaw si Bella?
Si Bella na to eh. Hindi, yung sa atin na lang. Feeling ko yung sa atin na lang.
Okay, skip natin. Stop with the beginning.
Ay, akala ko I was the
Ito
only...
na. Good morning, Sai.
Ako na ba?
Oh, ikaw na.
Ay, yung tweet ko.
You read your tweet. Okay, I'm in the,
Ay,
I'm
di,
in the
sige, wag na lang yung tweet ko.
Okay, go. Ako
Okay,
na.
dali.
Good morning, Sai.
Good morning din po. Kamusta sleepover niyo?
It was fine. Okay lang.
Bakit parang hindi ka masaya?
Wala lang.
Where? Is it because hindi ako pumunta?
Whatever. These are one of our normal daily conversations. Isn't it a bit weird to see this kind of convo between friends? Or maybe I am the only one putting meaning to it. I miss you.
I miss you too, Waki.
Diba sabi mo yung nagbawi? Can I see you?
Sure, let's have dinner later 5 p.m.
Oh, ang aga, 5 p.m. Okay, see you. Okay, read na lang natin yung text. Ready?
Yeah.
Thank you for today's. I know you're still driving at the moment, but we're not.
Hello, just got home. Thank you din for your time. Wala na akong utang na... Huh?
Meron kaya?
What? Oh, ikaw yun, hindi ako.
Gawin mo. It's called method acting, bro.
Okay, sige.
Method acting. Guys,
Mama.
we're acting yan, ah. Method acting.
Mama.
Joke lang. Oh, ikaw na.
OMG, what the heck, Waki? Bro, no!
I know, I was just joking. Seryoso mo naman?
Whatever, bahala ka na nga. Sige na, magpapahinga na ako.
Parang ikaw talaga. Okay, Sai. Take your time. I should rest na din.
Okay.
Did I, baby? yun yung line.
Okay, I'm so sorry. Yun pala yung nakalagay dito. Sorry, medyo medyo nagulat lang.
Medyo natatakot ako din.
Medyo natatakot ako pa kami masabi ka na lang. Ano na next step? Ano na natin?
Sabi mo, you're gonna say things good night and Waki.
Okay, eto na next. Waki. Next.
Sai. Oh.
Sige, ikaw muna.
Diba yung kasama sa Starbs? Starbs! Diba yung kasama sa Starbs last time?
Yeah, it's Hero, my cousin. Why?
Can I have his number?
Why do you need his number?
I'm a bit shy to say this. Let's just say it's urgent na lang. I need it, hehe.
Okay, fine.
Thanks, bro. The best ka talaga. Ako si Hero. Oy, Sai, you have a friend named Joaquin, diba? Did you give him my number? He's messaging me kasi. Okay, ito na. Ako na ulit. 1 week later. Sai, it's been a week. Kamusta? I miss you. Are you that busy ba? Ba't parang ako yung under dito sa AU, ha? Kayo talaga, ah. Actually, alam mo kung ano yung na-notice ko palagi sa mga AU. Ako talaga yung under palagi. Grabe. Parang totoo lang. Sai, it's been a week. Kamusta? I miss you. Are you that busy ba?
Wala na
Ikaw na.
ako nito eh. Hello, Waki. Sorry, my social battery is low lately eh. I'm not in a mood to message people.
Are you sure? Did I do anything wrong? I should have known. Sorry for asking. But if anything is bothering you, tell me, okay? Gel, ba't nandito na si Gel? Oh, ikaw.
Tapos
Ako
na
ulit,
yun.
sige. Tapos na?
Yeah.
Ayun guys, yun yung request nyo. Sana nag-enjoy kayo.
Yeah, sana
Uy, pero I really appreciate the effort.
Actually, sobrang hirap kayo gumawa ng ng
Totoo.
AU, ng mga gantong novel.
Like yung script mismo, yung plot,
Yeah.
tapos sa edit mo pa.
Totoo.
Thank you guys.
Lagyan mo pa ng background music. So, kudos ko sa mga nag-edit ng mga gantong AU.
We are reading the comment. Next, reenact niyo yung conversation sa Messenger.
Saan? Ano yan?
Huwag na.
Wag na
Yung convo
yun.
daw natin sa Messenger. Huwag na, guys.
What if wag na?
Baka magagalit si Putin.
Okay. Okay. So, anong oras flight mo tomorrow?
January 5 a.m. So, dating ko 6. Wow, nakalamutan mo na?
Di ba ko? Makakalimutan ako.
Yeah. Dad, sa AU na gagawin ko, hindi ka na under. Buti naman. Sa next AU, guys, dapat si Sarah naman yung, where are you? I miss you. Parang totoo naman.
Bala ka dyan. Parang hindi naman ata yun mangyayari.
Pag ako nagsalita.
But, I am happy na nagkaroon tayo ng live tonight.
Me too. And feel ko, mag-live tayo palagi January kasi wala akong pasok. Ano pa? End of the month pa.
Kailan next pasok mo? Kailan resume ng pasok?
I mean, alam mo, di ba, minsan sasabihin nila na kunwari January 15 may pasok na. Pero di ba yung first week ng school, laging orientation, di ba? So,
Yeah.
Hindi naman talaga. So, last week ng Jan, pa ako maging busy. So, mag-live community tayo palagi, guys.
Ikaw nagsabi niya na.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Without script naman. No, I'm reading the comment.
Ano na namang i-read mo dyan?
Yung sabi daw
Hi,
nila
Sir
acting
Leo.
talent.
Happy New Year po. Sir Leo commented here, oh.
Uy, Sir Leo, how are you? Happy New Year sa
Happy New
inyo.
Year, Sir Leo. Happy New Year po.
Sir Leo, see you soon, ah. Have you met? No pa, no?
Nagkita na kami ni Sir Leo.
Kita kayo, no? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yung pa kami nakita ni Sir Leo. Sana soon. Kaya guys, abangan nyo ulit yung live selling namin ni Cypher Beauty Live po. Kasi we're gonna continue it in 2025. Yeah. Abangan nyo. We're
Hi,
excited.
Jack. Anyway, so, napanood mo na yung Squid Game?
Guys, is Sai lagging or is it me?
Ikaw nag-lag. Ayan, okay na.
Did I lag? Okay na ba?
Okay na.
Sorry, ang kakainis ng ng wifi ko. Thank you, Zaldi. Thank you. You're pranking me daw. You're pranking me na nandyan si Jack.
Hindi naman wala naman ako
They're making... Ikaw talaga. Ikaw
Wala dito.
Wala.
Hello po kay Kaloy.
Oh my God.
Hi Jack, thank you.
Hi, Fiang!
Prank yeah.
Uy, Fiang, thank you, Thank you for the gift. Thank you. Wala siya pa kay Fiang ko. Grabe ka, Sai, ha? Nandito si Fiang, wala akong pake.
Sabi nga niya, okay, nag-read lang kong comments eh. Hi RZ, hi Kaloy.
Grabe. Thank you, Rob.
Hi Kaloy.
Baby Monda. What's Baby Monda?
Uy!
What's that? Monda?
Hindi mo na kailangan.
What's that? I don't know what it is. What is it ba? Is it something? Guys, tell me what it is. Tell me what it is, guys. What is it? I don't get it. I read in the comments. Si Lolo Bricks nagpauso. Totoo ba? Hindi ko naginig yan. Baliktagin mo. Oh my God. Guys, you keep doing this to me. Grabe ah. Grabe kayo ah.
So ano, hi Sai, see you tomorrow. I missed you. I miss you too, Kala. I'll see you tomorrow.
Ano gagawin mo bukas?
Ha?
Ano gagawin mo bukas?
Magkita kami.
Ni?
Ni Kalot.
Sino? Where?
Sa QC.
Ano gagawin nyo?
Coffee.
With?
With Kaloy.
Kayo lang?
Yeah. Sabi, ewan ko, with Tita Pearl ata.
Okay. That's nice. Miss ko si Perlas. Miss ko siya. Let's plan something kaya. Alam mo, mag-plan tayo ng reunion ng Team Bardagulan in January. Para at least mag-start tayo 2025 na, you know, nag-having tayo lahat.
Medyo busy ka din, medyo busy din sila eh.
Yeah. Actually, parang lahat tayo na naging busy nung last few months ng 2024. Kaya di masyadong nagla-live sila eh.
Super, ano talaga, super... Kailan next live mo sa Gluta?
January, pero wala pang final date. Ikaw ba?
Wala pa rin akong date eh.
Yeah. Pero feel ko hindi na tayo sabay, guys. I don't think sabay na kami ni Sai.
Yeah, hindi
sa
ko rin
next-
sure. Pero sana magkasabay tayo. If
Feel ko solo na siya. And you know, I'm scared kasi I'm nervous. Alam niyo guys, sobrang galing ni Sai and ni Kuya Matt na hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin ko if wala sila.
Hoy, magaling ka din naman mag-live. Ano ka ba?
Hindi ko pa na-try na solo eh. I'm scared.
Kaya mo yun.
Yeah.
Kaya mo yun, swear. Basta slave. Kaya ano pala, did you guys nagpaputok ba kayo? Nagpaputok ba kayo?
Me?
No New Year?
I was in Boracay diba ng New Year. So, doon sa yung hotel. Uy, I mean, I know this naman, pero I talked about it on live kanina na like, muntik, you were gonna be putok by the fireworks.
Oo, naputokan akong fireworks.
Oo, naputokan ka? Ayaw mo?
Ayaw ko.
Oo, bakit?
Ayaw kong ibang putok eh. Masakit.
Yeah, ito mo. Kasi diba minsan sa fireworks, dapat tiisin mo talaga. Kasi when you light it muna, diba, pag nilight mo yung fireworks, diba, may like smoke and fire agad. So dapat tiisin mo muna, then you run away, and then you let it putok there. Yan talaga guys. Ako kasi, firework expert ako, kaya alam ko.
Yeah.
Diba, alam mo, sinasabi ko sa mga viewers na masyadong green-minded sila minsan.
Yeah.
Guys, come on, wholesome kami ni Sai. Hindi kami ganyan. Dapat kayo din.
Sobrang wholesome. Oo.
Sobrang wholesome kami. Grabe. Alam yung baby. Ano yan? Basta. Alam yan eh.
Anong baby?
Yung sabi nila kanina, yung modda. Alam yan eh.
Ngayon alam mo na.
Yun, alam ko na. Alam nyo, yung viewers talaga yung nag-corrupt sa akin. Grabe, ang bait kong tao. Diba?
Eme ka.
That's why, ah.
Ikaw di ka naputukan?
Huh? What? No, kasi...
Sa, sa Boracay?
Wag na. May sasabihin sana ako. Pero sabi ko, Waki, 2025 na, wholesome na tayo sa TikTok. So, sa hindi pa po, kasi safe ako sa fireworks. Yun lang yung sasabihin ko.
Okay po. Good day, kasi nakakatakot.
Ewan ko dyan.
Ay, naku.
Ewan ko sa'yo. We listen and we don't judge, no guys. Oh, hindi kayo nagja-judge pero nagsiscreen record kayo. Kaya wag na. Masyadong delikado na yung online footprint ko, guys. Ang dami kong sinabi na nasa TikTok na. So,
Yun nga eh. Alam mo, kahit tigil-tigilan naman yung pagsasalita mo sa TikTok.
I know. Kaya guys, sorry pero hindi na ako papatol sa mga sinasabi mo. So sorry, guys.
That's good.
Huwag na tayo mag-live, mag-call na lang kaya tayo.
Ano?
Huwag na tayo mag-live, mag-call na lang kaya tayo.
Kung gusto mo.
Pero ba gusto mo mag-live?
Gusto mo mag-call tayo. Gusto
Or
mo,
do I wanna call? But, kasi I live na kanina eh.
gusto mo mag-video call tayo. Gusto mo, bago tayo matulog, mag-usap tayo. Or, gusto mo, kwentuhan kita ng bedtime stories. Para hindi ka na matakot kapag kumikidlat.
Okay.
Mahilig ka ba sa Hirono?
No.
Hindi mo alam kung ano yung Hirono?
I know Hirono. Parang yung doll na lalaki, diba? I mean, cute siya. Parang it's very you.
It's very me because I'm cute, right?
Cute. Yes. Very.
Wala, parang naboboard ka na sa akin.
Huh? No! No! I'm just looking at you watching you talk. Nung talk ka eh. Hindi mo alam, no? Can I see again? Show me. I'm not bored. Ano ba? Show me. It's cute. Where'd you buy that?
Ito pa,
Where'd you buy that?
sa MOA. I know.
Magkano ba mga
Sa
yan?
MOA. Sa Japan ko pala ito nabili.
Magkano ba mga yan?
Nasa 600, isang box. Isang piece ng box
And then random siya, diba? Like, hindi mo alam kung no.
Hindi mo alam kung anong makukuha mo. Minsan makukuha kang secret. Or minsan makukuha mo ako.
Wag na nga.
Hindi ka na naaano sa mga joke ko.
Woo! Wait lang, sorry. Yes. Kala lang. Wait lang. Okay na. Are you making margarita again?
Hindi. Anyway,
Yes.
kumakain ka pa rin ba till now? Late?
Can we call and not live na?
Sige.
Guys, kasi Sai and I are gonna talk about work. So, mag-end muna kami.
Magla-live ako. Ako din.
Mag-solo live ka muna. Alam ko, miss.
Mag-solo live ka din ba?
Yeah, I will solo live until you end. I'm gonna end when you end,
Okay, then let's call each other after.
Sure. Oh, God, you're obsessed.
Okay. Let's call.
You're so obsessed talaga.
Oh, excuse me.
Bye na. Shut up, clean.
Bye-bye. I'm that.
Bye.
Straight daddy. Oh, straight. Oh, gagi. I'm like this naman with all my friends. Come on, guys. Straight tayo. Nakita niyo na ba yung video ni Mark Ian? What video? I love Mark Ian. He's a good friend of mine. Anong video ba?
Ay, sorry po. Sorry po. Wala na. Sorry. Sorry. May ano pala. Naka-live pala ako ngayon. So, sorry po. Sorry po. Sorry, naka-live. Sorry, naka-live pa pala ako. I'm so sorry. Grabe yung sipod ko. Anyway, so ayun. Kanina pa pala siya naka-live around mga ano. Dadaan dito kami mga... Ayaw nga pala, sorry. Dito pa pala kayo. Akala ko wala na kayo eh.